Bloop. Oh, God. Guess who's back in the motherfucking house? Bloop. I know I ain't been uploading no videos lately, but I just don't have the content. Like, I don't be running into them ingrowns. Bloop. Like I need to be. You know what I'm saying? So, if you in the Las Vegas area, you got ingrowns you need taken care of, any waxing needs, lash extensions, hit your girl up, because I am now a licensed esthetician. It's crazy because when I even started uploading, I wasn't even going to school yet. Now I'm fully licensed. Like, look how much can happen in a year. But yeah, so this one was really giving me a hard time. Like a very hard time. But we gonna get it out of there because that's what we do, because we professionals. Is we though? I don't know. I don't. Yeah, a real hard time. Blue, there it go. And we gonna get one more out. Blue, oh God.